Good day, Team GCI. I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's GCI Market Outlook, let's take a look at Forex trading on Bitcoin, Kiwi dollar, Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the S&P 500. Over the last week, the U.S. indices like the S&P 500 have been on a roller coaster. We see tariff news driving falls in gaps, and one drop based on the potential firing of the U.S. Fed chairman. Before we look at that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Everything in this video and all our videos is purely observational and does not constitute trading advice. Then, in a White House meeting, it was announced that Jerome Powell would not be fired and investors bought back in. If you were paying attention to the news, you can execute this taco trade and buy the dip. If we move out, we can see that the S&P 500 is at an all-time highs. If we look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, we see that price action has broken this bearish channel, but is still short of the all-time high. Again, any negative tariff or economic news could drive prices lower, giving us more opportunities to buy the dip. There is clear disagreement amongst the FOMC members as to the next interest rate decision, July 30th. This has caused the US dollar to weaken slightly. If we look at many US dollar pairs like Kiwi dollar, Euro dollar, and Aussie dollar, we see price action at the upper trend line in a bear run and the stochastic oscillator well overbought. Price action on Bitcoin has stalled at $120,000 and has formed an interesting technical pattern. U.S. Congress has passed a bill on stablecoins and it should be signed soon, which will likely affect the price of most cryptocurrencies. That's all for now. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.